this is gonna be the first and hopefully last fan fiction fa- fan fiction review I'm hopefully ever going to do. But some of things know of this particular fan fiction that even has its own fan called Blood Raining Night, made by a chick named Reichu Ketsukiniko Oni. She claims the name Reichu the at least Ketsukiniko Oni means cat demon something in Japanese. Yeah, she says it means blood cat demon in Japanese. I tried looking that up, never found it. I don't know specifically if she's just shitting us or Kitsukineko Oni actually um translated blood cat demon in any way in Japanese. Don't know, don't care. Now, the story itself is basically about a character named Eiichi Kitsukineko Oni. You can tell, the main character's name is named, the fucking writer also has the name of the main character. Red Hang, not something to start off with, but let's keep going. The story itself is basically about the main character named Reichu Katsukineko Oni, um, who discovered her father is back, and he wants to kill her. Why? Because he basically, killed his wife, which is her mother. She killed her mother because from what I've heard, from what I've seen in the anime and I think in the fan fiction, it also went into actually told you why she killed the mother, but it's basically something up to do with an electric reaction that causes demon to come out, and that her demon side had killed the mother. Now that I don't have a problem with, but the problem I do have with that is that Reichu does nothing to make sure that demon ciphers doesn't stay away. Throughout the entire story, she just allows the demon side to just pop up whenever something remotely, something, weird happens. Like, oh, a character dies. Let's, eat the blood or something. Which I swear to God happened at least twice in the fanfiction. If memory serves. Now, before I go into the plot any further, I have to tell you this. On June, in June, I believe, I got done reading the fanfiction. All 30 fucking chapters. I blacked out after reading chapter 30, which is the time of this at the time of recording is basically how much he did. It's basically the highest a fan fiction ever went to. And well, ugh. Now my thoughts on the before I go into the plot, I have to make sure I get some of the characters down. Blood Raining Night is a crossover between Hitalia, Chuck and Roll Z, the Vocaloids, Um, I think Pokemon because um, fuck it. Uh, let's see. Legend of Kai. From what I've learned, one character named Lucy is from Elfen Lied, so there you go. Um, let's see, who's another character? Inuyasha and Helsing Ultimate. Oh, I wouldn't have a problem with any of that if she didn't have, if a her father wasn't a canonical character. Which again, I wouldn't have a problem if it wasn't explained. Like, yeah, like, and before I go into that, Riku Ketsukaneko Oni is a fucking demon vampire cat, whatever the fuck. Her father is Goku. Her mother is part cat. So, where the fuck did everything else come in? But, at best, she'd be Saiyan and cat, at best. Um, the characters, like, all the canonical characters are out of character. Um, Reishu Ketsukaneko Oni's original characters are um Sensei Hanayubi, Reishu, Eileen, let's see, who's another OC? Um, some blue haired chick, and some half angel or something, and some redhead. Now the redhead barely ever seen. I don't. She was like an extra in the fan fiction at best. Um, Eileen is basically God, which is for some reason Rachel's fucking daughter. I'll get to that when I get to the plot. Um, Rachel Ketsukaneko Oni. I have to go into depth here. Rachel Ketsukaneko Oni is a fucking Mary Sue. She's fucking overpowered. She's shipped with two canonical characters. I wouldn't have a problem with like shipping a handful of canonical characters if you didn't, if basically you weren't in a relationship with one while you get shipped with another. Other than, one canonical character dies or they broke up or something. Um, the blue haired chick is basically nah. And the angel, she does fucking nothing when Rachel does something terrible. And Elaine is a complete terrible god. You'd expect God to have better care of herself and not just stay in the form of a little kid, a naked kid. Now, I wouldn't have a problem with the God being all little kid if, that was explained. Is Elaine goofy, kid like have kid qualities? I don't fucking know. She just like when she comes in the story like way later, it's like, oh, I'm the guy of the Kiko Kamenichi. Um, I'll I'm the guy of the Kiko Kamenichi. Bye now. I'm leaving. But I'll give you one wish. And after that, never heard from again. yeah, the characters talk about every once in a while, but is he ever seen? Fuck no. And, well, the only character that is remotely likable is, well, at least Goku and Sentai Hanayubi. Yeah, I fucking said one of the bad guys is actually likable because he didn't even do anything remotely evil. Like the only thing he did remotely evil was kidnapping. That's basically kidnap God. But besides that, he didn't do shit wrong. Like, yeah, he basically beat the shit out of Rachel when she was younger. Yeah, because he killed his fucking wife. And the only other likable character is a fucking creepy fucking teacher. The creepy ass teacher who I swear to God is coming off as pervy. He's the only likable one he's the only one that gets enough screen time to become likable. And the Fanime, he actually has a backstory. Now, Reichu Ketokaneko Only, again, is a Mary Sue. She basically caused Lucy to become like she took the haunt of Lucy, getting rid of her powers or something. Like, wow, you're an ass. And what does Lucy do? Basically that shit. The worst Lucy ever did was, like, almost marry the father, and basically, act like an asshole to Rachel and the family. And Lucy's the only one. It's the one I have sympathy for. Like her family died. Her dog died right in front of her. Friends abandoned her, and well, the whole world hates her. Rachel, on the other hand, the worst she ever has is a bad fat. Her fucking mother died, and literally one person hates her. Which makes that two people. And all of the canonical characters, I'm not gonna butcher some of this. Inuyasha, Sushamaru, which is Inuyasha's brother, Shippo, Kagome, Miku's basically a little in character. A little bit of Lucas, somewhat in character. Denmark, Lucy. I don't know about Lucy. Never watched Alpha and Lead. Fucking sue me. Let's see Goku. God, who the fuck is in there? The blonde chick from Fullmetal Alchemist. I think his name was Edward, also from Fullmetal Alchemist. All of them are a character. Well, man, actually got to 14 minutes already. Man, I looked I had lots to say about this one. Well, come back to part 2 when I actually talk about the weird fucking plot. Lack thereof.